Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Technology Sahayak. Today in this video I will show you how to download Facebook video without any kind of third-party application. Actually, if you want to download Facebook video, you must use any third-party application from Google Play Store. If we search by writing Facebook video downloader in Google Play Store, we will see lots of applications. But downloading videos using third-party applications is a lot of trouble. For example, firstly application should be downloaded and installed, then we have to log in our Facebook ID in the application, but logging in our Facebook ID in such applications is less secure. So in the video I will show you how to download Facebook videos without any kind of third-party application. After log into Facebook, we will play the video that we want to download. Now press on 3 dots line. Copy the link. Now open your browser and go to fdown.net. Here paste the link, press on download option. I can download the video in HD quality, or download it in normal quality. I am downloading on normal quality, so that the video can be downloaded quickly. You can see the video is downloading. Now if I click on details, then we can see the download percentage of the video. When the video is downloaded, I will show live proof that the video is downloaded in my phone gallery. Friend video is downloaded. Now if I go to the phone gallery, you can see that the video I downloaded has been downloaded to my phone. Friend, through this system you can easily download any Facebook video without any application. Friend, if you think this video is useful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.